Hello everyone, my name is Daryl Cabaltera from Audi Winnipeg, and I'm here to show you today how to pair your Bluetooth device to your 2020 Audi vehicle. So first off, we're going to press the power button. Right now I'm going to leave it in accessory mode. Then you're going to click the home screen, go into the setting tile, and then we're going to click the connected devices tile, and then click telephone number 1. Before we press new connection, we're going to take our Bluetooth device itself, open it up, go into the settings tab, and then click Bluetooth. So we're going to press new connection. We're going to wait till our phone appears on the screen. Click your phone itself. Now it's going to see if the pins match from the screen to your phone. Once it matches, press pair. And it's going to ask you if you want to allow your contacts to sync to the vehicle. If you guys want to allow, you guys can allow it. I will allow it right now. Once you press allow, it should connect right away. It's as easy as that. If you found this video useful, please follow us on Instagram or subscribe to our YouTube channel at Audi Winnipeg.